Internet and other advanced telecommunication technologies.
Over several years, starting in 1894, the Italian inventor Guglielmo Marconi worked on adapting the newly discovered phenomenon of radio waves to telecommunication, building the first wireless telegraphy system using them. The global information and communications network that includes the Internet and other networks and switching systems such as telephone networks, cable television networks, and satellite communication networks. Multimedia includes a combination of text, audio, images, animation, video, or interactive content forms. So, telecommunication is communication at a distance using electrical signals or electromagnetic waves. Examples of telecommunication systems are the telephone network, the radio broadcasting system, computer networks, and the Internet. The telecom sector faces several looming challenges in the form of network load and infrastructure optimization, effectively addressing subscriber grievances for reduced churn, and improve security for telecommunications. The top 10 telecom industry trends directly address these challenges, in addition to improving the overall efficiency for telecom companies. Increasing global community, further fueled by the COVID-19 pandemic, presents numerous opportunities for telecom companies for each more subscriber and offer innovative products and services. Smart factories, cities, homes, cars, and industrial workplaces require efficient and affordable cloud and 5G technology solutions, especially to address the growing number of connected people and things.
Telecommunications is one of the industries that use artificial intelligence in many aspects of business today. Yes, they promise that they give us robots. The robots they're talking about don't look like the ones from Star Wars. Lots of them like Alexa and Siri. You can even see them because they are computer programmed. What makes them robot is the fact that they can take data, analyze it, and learn from it, and keep on getting more intelligent. Or the ones on Google and Facebook that figure out what ads they should make, pop up on your screen, and for when you actually live in your living rooms. Robots are already helping us to build stuff in factories, analyze financial reports, and in the future, we could be talking about robots we have in our houses that will be able to cook for us, do all kind of boring jobs, and outside our houses doing dangerous ones like fighting fires or picking up radioactive waste, and a whole load of other things we'll get into later in the video. That because AI is already combining with pretty much every recent technology, and it's only going to keep on doing that.
The Internet of Things describe physical objects or groups of such objects with sensor, processing ability, software, and other technologies that connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the Internet or other communications networks. Internet of Things has been considered a misnomer because devices do not need to be connected to the public Internet. They only need to be connected to a network and be individually addressable. Because the telecom industry enables Internet device connectivity, it is one of the largest players in the Internet of Things market. Everyday items that are connected to one and another in the Internet. Internet of Things technology help telecoms monitor base stations and data centers remotely. This helps ensure a minimal downtime for the network. Since telecom is so instrumental in providing Internet of Things infrastructure, the industry is uniquely poised to develop and offer their own service for Internet of Things. Since Internet of Things technology results in more devices on the network, there are more opportunities for security and privacy breaches to occur, so telecoms need to plan and prepare defenses for that. While there are still a lot of unknowns regarding the transformation Internet of Things will have for telecoms, there's little doubt that it will disrupt the industry.
"5G is the fifth generation mobile network. It is a new global wireless standard after 1 gig, 2 gig, 3 gig, and 4 gig networks. 5G enables a new kind of network that is designed to connect virtually everyone and everything together, including machines, objects, and devices. 5G wireless technology is meant to deliver higher multi-GPS peak data speeds, ultra-low latency, more reliability, massive network capacity, increased availability, and a more uniform user experience to more users. Higher performance and improved efficiency empower new user experiences and connects new industries. There are 9 manufacturers sell 5G radio hardware and 5G system for carriers: Alti All-Star, Cisco Systems, Datang Telecom Fiber Home, Ericsson, Huawei, Nokia, Qualcomm, Samsung, and ZTE. Samsung Galaxy S10 5G model number is SMG977.
When it comes to designing systems that can learn from the data they consume, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Machine and systems that replicate human intelligence are referred to as artificial intelligence. A lot of people use the terms AI and machine learning interchangeably, but they're not the same thing. There is a big difference between machine learning and AI, which is why this distinction is so crucial. There's a lot of machine learning going on around us today. Machine learning algorithms are at work to make our interaction with financial institutions, online retailers, and social media more efficient, easy, and secure. We've only scratched the surface when it comes to machine learning and the technology that supports it. Several Philippines organizations have hastened their implementation of machine learning, an automated technique that enables computers to avail and anticipate. In order to deal with the difficult circumstances brought on by the coronavirus outbreak, since the commencement of the pandemic, utilization of machine learning and other digital solutions has increased.
Short introduction of each technology.
To give short introduction to each technology, first is we have the artificial intelligence. The applications of artificial intelligence lie all around us and affect all aspects of our lives. The results of artificial intelligence have been invaluable to biologists, psychologists, and linguists in helping to understand the processes of memory, learning, and language from a fresh angle. As a concept, artificial intelligence has fueled and sharpened the philosophical debates concerning the natural mind, intelligence, and the uniqueness of human beings. The next is we have the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things as this intelligent interconnectivity between the real and the digital world is called will rapidly transform every aspect of how we work and do business. By connecting apps with their integrated systems, businesses are able to transform their industries significantly. Today, almost 90% of all data generated by tablets, smartphones, or connected appliances is never acted upon. Imagine you could change that. Image, you could use those data to create intelligent tools and interconnected systems or services that will allow you to optimize and accelerate your business processes. Next is we have the 5G. In telecommunications, 5G is the fifth generation technology, standard for broadband cellular networks, which cellular phone companies began deploying worldwide in 2019, and is the planned successor to the 4G networks, which provide connectivity to most current cell phones. 5G networks are predicted to have more than 1.7 billion subscribers worldwide by 2025. according to the GSM Association. The next one is we have machine learning. Machine learning is the process by which a process is created which emulates intelligence. We have a lot of visual words here because the process is by no means perfect and is by no means actually intelligent. Effectively, there are different models which try to reduce a problem type in such a way we can have a machine create a process which gets a higher quality of results without relying on hard coded rules. You aren't looking for a collection of pixels anymore. You are looking for arbitrarily larger or smaller blocks or pieces which filter down to the object in our image example. While computers can do mathematical operations and similar at mind-boggling speeds, they have no true understanding of what they are doing. ML aims to backport some level of intelligence in a mathematical way that a plain machine can understand. The systems which are built and the theoretical construct makes it all work relies on a high level of math, especially with linear algebra and statistics. We're going to skip the math and focus on what matters for trying to understand the basics of how this system works. This is a cube of ice off the iceberg of knowledge on machine learning.
Artificial intelligence can improve accuracy and precision by eliminating errors. Data and algorithms drive AI decisions. Programming can fix these problems. AI can help people avoid risk. Metal bodied gadgets can withstand harsh environments, such as defusing a bomb, exploring space, or diving deep. They're reliable and don't tire easily. AI's disadvantage is the difficulty of imitating human intelligence. It's time consuming and costly. AI requires the latest technology and software to stay current and meet standards, making it pricey. Mechanical learning. The benefit of mechanical learning is that it can analyze vast quantities of data and identify specific trends and patterns that would be invisible to humans. With ML, you do not need to micromanage your project at every stages. As AI entails endowing machines with the capacity to learn, it enables them to make prediction and refine algorithms on their own. In contrast, machine learning necessitates sufficient time for algorithms to learn and mature to the point where they can serve their objective with a high degree of accuracy and relevance. In addition, it requires huge resources to work. This may necessitate greater computer resources on your end. 5G will provide 1,000 times the capacity of 4G over a larger frequency spectrum. It will be capable of connecting thousands of Internet-enabled devices, from smartphones to sensors and the Internet of Things. Field-based personnel are able to utilize Wi-Fi and mobile connectivity without sacrificing performance or Internet access. Even in urban areas, there will be sufficient Wi-Fi capacity for seamless operation. While one of the greatest disadvantages of 5G is that it is presently only available in specific regions with limited uneven coverage, with densely populated areas being the primary deployment target. It is expected that large cities will be the first to adopt 5G, while rural areas may not see it for another 5 years. Internet of Things devices can automate thus improving a business's offerings and minimizing the need for human intervention. Information is easily available even when we're far away, and it's updated in real time. These gadgets can access information from anywhere, on any device. IoT systems are networked and interconnected, Despite security safeguards, the system offers limited control and can lead to network attacks. IoT gives details personal data without user input.